Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to unlock your disable Apple ID or lock for security reason. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open settings, and here you can see my Apple ID has been locked for security reason. As you can see, it's a Apple ID has been locked for security reason. So how to unlock it? First of all, type on unlock by email. Unlock email sent, follow the direction in the email. So you have to go your email. Type on your email. As you can see, I have received an email from Apple to reset Apple ID password. Open it and scroll down. Here is the link: reset Apple ID password or unlock Apple ID. Type it. Type unlock. Type on forget password. Now change here your new password. Type on reset password. So as you can see, account unlocked and password changed. So now you can sign out with your new password. Thanks for watching.